So, two things came in the mail today. One is a brand new head gasket, which is still nice and flexible here, which is nice. And two, more excitingly, is a, well, not new, but, oh, there goes my spark plug. It's not a new, but it's a used magneto that does in fact work, which I'll show you in a second here. Still got the original Gravely red color on it. And yeah, the only thing I did forget, though, is the coupling that goes in between the mag and the shaft that spins it. I'm going to try and temporarily make one out of a PVC coupling. I'm going to see if that works or not. But yeah, it does work. I'm going to show you that in 1 second here. See if I can get this thing to work by hand here. I think it sparked there. Yep, can you see the spark? It's got a nice strong spark. So I don't even have to do anything to it. That's great. I'm going to go ahead and take some measurements here and I'm going to see what I can come up with. So several hours later I was able to make up a PVC pipe coupling there. Sorry for the video quality here. And I'm pretty happy with it. It seems to work. And as you can see, when I pull on this, we get a nice spark. So I'm going to go ahead and bolt the head back on and we'll give it its first run. Well, this thing's pretty much all back together, so it's time for the first startup of this thing in many years. I'm just gonna hope I have the timing right. We're shooting stuff out the exhaust over there. Ooh, we got smoke. That's a good sign. I'm gonna give this thing a little more gas and then we'll continue. Ooh, we're getting somewhere here. Might be a smoky first start here. Something gives me an idea the timing is wrong here. So I adjusted the timing and we're going to try again. I dumped a little more fuel down the plug hole too. Hey! First startup! This thing lives after like 50 years. That's awesome. It's a smoky one though. So I may or may not have dumped way too much gas down the plug hole by accident because it came out of the gas tank really fast. But no matter. We'll try it anyways. It's going to take a few pulls to get started though with all that gas. Compression went way up with all that extra gas also. Third time's a charm. So next step, dive into that carburetor and the gas tank, and then after that we get that all working. Then we'll take a look at the oil system. Sound good?